Alright guys, welcome back. We got 30 minutes till the parking meter expires and work is over, so I can actually record a work video for you guys today because I drove myself, and so that means I can go home whenever I want now. And anyways, just started down here at the end of the day. Going to do more disconnect switches for these, whatever these are called, AC units, or there's another word for it, FPU, whatever that stands for. And then just have to flex down into the unit and then put your double pole toggle switch as I've been showing you guys. I've been doing a bunch of those. So started with the 90 out of the top of the box, and then have the last piece over here on the ground, and that's going to connect up with another piece over there, which another guy was working on. So there's the box. That pipe's going to come into there, and that pipe goes all the way down the wall right there. And here's my piece right here. So I got a 7-inch kick. It's gonna be coming across the ceiling like this. It's gonna go 7 inches down, so it can hit the bottom of the rafters and then kick around that fire pipe. It's gonna kick around this fire pipe right here. So that's what the bend right here is for. And put that up tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what I've been doing over here. So the other day I put these sleeves in, which I didn't get to show you guys, and I don't think I put the box in. Maybe I did, maybe someone else did. So I put the sleeves in there and then zip tied this a few times. I think someone else recently zip tied that down, but I did a couple loose straps down across there. And then this sleeve right here to get that wire into the hallway. And have to pipe down to this box tomorrow or something. But this is gonna be really dark, so I'm not coming right back with the flashlight. Alright guys, so now that I'm back with the flashlight, hopefully you can see this. This was the firebox I was talking about the other week, or a couple days ago. I think it was actually Friday, because I didn't work on this yesterday. I don't even remember, the days are just going by so fast. But basically I had to cut some of the sheetrock out because that is so tight to the wall that I couldn't get the connector, a piece of pipe, and then another connector. So it's basically just a little nipple between there, chase nipple. And that is now the boxes can fit on the wall. That I took the sheetrock out, and then I just did a flex over to this firebox right here and ran the wire, and then matched those heights over there. That one just has a coupling on it, but 15.5 inches down the wall. And then you got your fire wire here. I don't know what's going below here, if they have to extend that with more pipe or something's going up that high, but that took some time up there. And I will show you guys some more stuff I worked on upstairs today on the second floor. Those more FPUs or AC units. I'll go show you that real quick. Turned out pretty good. Here's a video of the picture I showed you guys last week. Basically, some of these fire sprinklers have these boxes you have to add. Comes out. So here's what I've been doing. Just running these flexes into these AC FPU units and doing more double pole disconnect switches. So there's 4 of those. I did that and then made up the junction boxes right in here because they're on the same circuit. I didn't run the pipe, but coworkers did. There's the other one over here, and then there is 2 more over here. I didn't miss a junction box, but here's another one over here, and then the last last one is over here. So that one over there kind of looks crooked, so I want to fix that. And then the junction box right here. And I don't think that one had one over there. So that one is there. And then this junction box made this one up over here. And then ran this pipe on the top over here for a fire alarm smoke detector. So that turned out pretty good. And then pulled the wire through it from that box over to this box over here. Then I kind of showed you guys this in a picture, I think, the other week, but ran this pipe over here between these two boxes because someone didn't finish the pipe and it was stuck in the wall, so basically I had to cut a hole and then junction those with the pipe in between to get the wire in the wall out and then down into this box where it needed to go. And then I showed you guys this wire here from yesterday. Ran that across here, and then that goes across over here onto the rack. Goes onto these racks over here, zip tied. And then put in some plugs the other day as well. Those ones, that one, and then this one up here, like a TV. Then there's another room I did as well. So here's the other room, is basically opposite, except there's no box up here. So there's just one over there, and then that one's actually over there, so it's flipped a little bit. Actually, it's the same. Alright guys, I was going to show you a few more things that I basically already videoed or didn't show that well. Either with pictures or just like a really quick video, except my coworkers were still up there, so I wrapped it up and I'm heading to the car right now. So hopefully that, guys, gives you an update of what I've been doing. I know the videos have been pretty terrible lately, so I want to take this time and just update you guys, and hopefully that gives you guys a good idea of what I've been doing, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you guys enjoyed if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. It would greatly help me out, and I would appreciate that, and subscribe as well. I look forward to seeing you guys back here tomorrow, and that should do it. Make sure to check out the description for social medias like Instagram and Facebook and all that good stuff, and Twitch. And if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload new videos, make sure to click the notification bell. And with that being said, God bless, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.